Hey, it's morning time. Make something good. We're gonna do a smoothie from my buddies at Pickup Limes. They don't know me, but I do know them. Love their food, and let's get started. Yeah, hemp hearts, dates, coconut milk. Oh, we got pineapple chunks. Aha, bananas. Then we got spinach. And to round it out, we got some matcha powder. All right, let's get started. Starting with 1 cup of coconut milk. Forgot the soy milk. Soy milk. And that is 2/3 of a cup of soy milk. So since we make a fair amount of smoothies, we freeze our bananas. And you can also do them in the silicone kind of trays and then freeze them up. This is basically 1 banana. Then we also have those bananas. But I want to use these first. I like to keep the frozen bananas around because you can make banana bread, smoothies, fun stuff. Close to 2/3 of a cup of pineapples you can get. Oh boy. This recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of spinach, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a cup in because why not? Spinach is good for you, and we'll have a little extra. 2 soft medjool dates, tablespoon of hemp seeds, and a tablespoon of matcha powder. That's tasty. That's good. You can definitely taste the coconut in it. Kind of creamy. Bananas in there. Spinach is in there. It's very chill. It's not like any one of those ingredients is taking over. They're all really working together. Highly recommend it. This is a good one. Definitely a little more substantial than the normal smoothies that I make, which would have about half this ingredient. But this is going to be a powerhouse. This is going to be a lot of energy. A lot of clean energy and get you through the day. Thanks for being on the journey with me today. I know this is rough. We're gonna get through it. These are early days. Thanks. Oh, and let me know if I'm talking too fast, or if you have any ideas for anything I should make for a smoothie or a breakfast item. That'd be fun and nutritious. Thanks, everybody.